All right, I am going to just do a quick video on how to find a PDF. So I'm going to go to a new tab, and hopefully Sarah and I are getting you guys some websites soon so that you can have just kind of a heads up of what is good. One of my favorites is mathaids.com because they have just all this stuff over here. We did clocks together on our PD day. Well, today I'll do addition. I like mathaids.com because it's not like they have a bunch of pre-made worksheets. Every time you go make one, it is done at random, so you're never going to get the same ones. This website has some pop-ups though that do drive me bonkers, so I like to close those out and hit the X's. If you guys have the opportunity to get PDFs and do this work on Classkick on a laptop instead of a Chromebook, I recommend it. All right, so I haven't seen a lot of worksheets like this being used yet, where the math problems go horizontal. So types of numbers used, you can use any and all numbers, right? Our students are going to be using a calculator, so you don't want any negative numbers. You can decide how many you want on a page. I'll say 20. Let's keep these kids busy. So it takes them a while. On MathAids, they ask you, do you want the answer page? We don't. We don't want the answer page in Classkick. And then we go down and say, create it. Making our worksheet now. Okay, so here's our worksheet. Now, it's still kind of, there we go, there it is. So what I'm looking for is this down facing arrow. That means download. So I need to move it from the internet to my computer. 2-digit addition. And then I'm going to say horizontal because I don't have very many of those. And then I'm going to say save. Now, I know you're on a Chromebook and yours looks different, but basically you're going to have something pop up where you can save it as, and then you're going to say save. Yours is getting saved in your download folder, but when you go to Classkick and hit that green plus, it shows up as a choice. Now, let's say you aren't looking for math. Let's look for pattern worksheets. And we aren't sure what kind of website we want to go to. And we can just go browse. Look, MathAids has it. We can go browse some different websites until we find a PDF. For example, here's one. And you can see some of them are free and some of them are not. So I'm going to click this one. And looky here. I found another one. This one, when I say download, the other thing, okay, so I'm going to show you guys something else. See how this has, oops, I accidentally went back. See how this one has an answer sheet and I don't want it. Let me show you a little cheat I like to do. Instead of printing this, I say save as PDF. I'm pretty sure the Chromebooks allow that too. And instead of pages all, I only want page 1. So I can save this as a PDF and only the first page. I can say save. And then I go over here. I click my plus, create from file. And then whichever one I'm going to do, I would either click the pattern one or the 2-digit addition and go from there.